Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to be doing a beer tasting video. So I've got a beer from my good mate Carl. It's his Black Doris Plum Sour, bottled on the 26th of August, clocking in at 4.8%. You may remember that Carl also did a Feijoa Sour, which I did a tasting of a few months ago now. So I'm really looking forward to trying this. Thank you very much for this, Carl. I've also got some notes on the ingredients, but what I thought we'll do first is we'll pour it up. Very keen to try this beer because I really enjoyed the Feijoa Sour. Nice little hiss there. So this is bottle conditioned. So straight away you can see that nice colour coming through from the plums. Go, leave a little bit of the bottom there. So look at that, fantastic looking colour from those plums. Fairly clear, I can see through it, but probably to be expected a little bit of haze there. Just holding a nice ring of head on the top. So yeah, before we dive in, also some nice carbonation. So yeah, the Black Doris Plum Sour. So it's the same grain bill as the Feijoa Sour. So it's 3 kilos of pale ale malt, 700 grams of pale wheat, 230 grams of flaked wheat. So just the three there, that gives just under 4 kilos of grain. And then Carl has added 1.5 kilos of plums into the fermenter. Can't remember how long that was left in there for. And now the yeast is using the Hallertau's Philly sour yeast, which I've used myself, and Carl's used a few times as well. And it's yeah, it's a really good yeast if you want to do a sour beer without going through all the traditional process of making a sour. So cheers guys, and thank you Carl, much appreciated. Getting that sourness on the nose straight away, and also getting a nice aroma of the plums. Beautiful combo of the two, the sourness and the plums. Now I can't remember, and I haven't got the notes here for what the hops we used. What hops we use for bittering, but that smells fantastic. First time I've ever had a plum sour, so yeah, looking forward to it. Oh, that's really nice. Getting that nice sourness up front, getting that sort of tartness and flavour from the Black Doris plums, but it's nice and clean, quite crisp as well, so it's got a nice light body to it. Really nice. Going for another mouthful. Oh, that is nice. This would be perfect, well, it's perfect beer for this sort of evening. It's about 25-26 at just after 6 in the evening, and this is going down a treat. It's got some really nice glass lacing as well. That is a fantastic beer, Carl. A really great follow on from your Feijoa Sour, you know, using the same malt bill. Yeah, they're really good in their own right. I wouldn't say I prefer one or the other. I really enjoyed the Feijoa Sour, and I'm equally enjoying this one as well. Oh, that's nice. It's definitely got some nice sourness and tartness up front, but it's not overpowering, and it's not building up too much as, you know, after each mouthful, which can be a problem with some sours. Carl tells me that this has been going down well at his work, so he's taken some into his work, and some of his colleagues have really enjoyed it, and I can see why. That won't last long at all. So thank you very much for that, Carl. If you got any questions, just sing out. I'll put the details of the recipe that Carl provided in the video description if you want to try something like this yourself. If you can't get Black Doris plums, you could definitely try another fruit with that fully sour yeast, and I'm sure you'd make a really nice drop. So thanks for watching, guys. Sorry, I've only just kegged my Aroma IPA, so I was planning on doing a video this week, but I might just let it carb up and maybe do that early next week instead. So sorry about the delay on that, but I'll definitely get a tasting video up. Enjoy the rest of your week, and we'll catch you next time. Over and out. Cheers.